...2019, and once again the team are heading south. This time their target is Croatia. The plan to complete it all over 8 days and approximately 3,000 kilometres. Then home for tea and medals.
Day 1 would be spent on a relaxing 700-kilometre ride on the Autobahn. Jason over there washing his pans as we've just arrived in campsite number 1 south of Munich. It's only day 2 and already the petty bickering and moaning soon starts.
Indicate when they're on the junction instead of letting me know.
You're tired, mate?
No, not really. I'm just yawning because I'm bored at you.
Which way we going?
The way I'm indicating.
I'm in Austin. Don't get all defensive.
Horrible country, isn't it? Bloody cyclists everywhere.
The camera left your indicator on, did it?
Yeah, I think it did. Well, let me just turn that off.
You should start, realising the errors of your ways and owning up to them.
Yeah.
You're not happy, Steve?
No.
Why are you not happy, mate?
Hey, look at it. Dirty.
You.
Sorry, I've given you the route plan yesterday.
Yeah, that was...
Right.
I said tonight.
Ah, this is shit.
Day 3 and my superior map reading took us on a, well, minor detour.
Where are we anyway? I think it's cycling only, Steve.
No.
Alright. Alright. Are we allowed to be here?
I know.
Over the next few days we explored the back roads of Austria and then into Slovenia.
Off we go!
Indeed.
Unfortunately, our time in Croatia had to be cut short. However, it didn't stop us enjoying the rain, the beautiful sights, and speaking to some of the locals.